Good morning, good morning. We are back at it again. It is the following day. We are feeling it. It is nice and warm. We're feeling real strong. I got Kelsey with me today, and Jocelyn's finishing up some grant work. So welcome from the nursery. Let's check it out while we're here. We have some of the broccolis rocking and rolling. Getting into the field Swiss chard. These parsleys, perfectly singulated, look awesome. Here are our early beets. Those herbs, that's the thyme, the oregano. Here are the singulated cilantros. Those are basically ready. I need to check root development on those. And well, man, we could just do it right here. Yeah, I see a little bit there, but yeah, let's try maybe pulling one of these plugs and seeing what we've got in here. Maybe we'll do a little squeeze on the bottom. Pull this baby up softly. Okay, that's not bad. It might take a little bit of time because you saw how tedious that was to get out, but I think we've got the A-team we could handle. Got some red cabbages in here. There's more broccoli. Can't have too much broccoli. These fig mamas are going crazy on us. Our basil, looking awesome, mice free. All these baby singulated dills are looking awesome. So today, the agenda, we have some seeding to do. We're gonna seed all the sweet peppers, just all the peppers we've got. I had to reorder a little bit of the poblanos because the mice got to them. I didn't have enough jalapeno seeds that I thought I did, so I had to order some more of those. And yeah, so we're just gonna pull the trigger, seed all the peppers for the season, be done with that. We got that plastic from yesterday from the farm, so we are going to install new plastic on tier 2, and we're going to redo an end wall over here, and we're going to do some adjustamentos with some of that disaster. And yeah, we'll probably try to get some tillage in. It's kind of at the seam of our pants right now. It might rain, so I've got to keep my options open. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys in a bit. All right, so first we got to start with taking off the end wall here, so that then we can take off the side wall. We've got some dirty plastic on our greenhouse, yippee skippy, but it will help out when the time comes. So I'm really happy we got this done. I just need to buckle up the ends now, cut the excess off, and retie up the end walls. I wanted to show you what Kelsey got done yesterday, which is pretty exciting. She kindly Christmas gifted us these grapevine cuttings. She potted them up yesterday so that we could get roots on them. We'll see where that takes us. And of course, they are seedless Concords. Oh, I forgot. They have seeds, but who cares? They're Concords. That means they're the OG ones.
Best grape jam ever.
Yeah?
Ever.
Oh man,
Yeah.
I cannot wait. All right, going up. So is this how a winner really does it? Is eating the lunch while they seed.
One spoon every tray I finish.
Oh man, what a winner.
Move down.
I'm able to kick some butt today because my homie's knocking out the seating for us. You're doing great, dude. Appreciate you.
Thank you, you too.
I'm gonna go mess around with this end wall.
Yeah, perfect.
Gotta clean this up. This is gnarly. Voila, looking clean. Rough around the edges, but this party's over. Just wanted to show you what Kelsey was able to get done. So all of the peppers are seeded for the growing season of 2024 with a full germ chamber. Feeling pretty good about that one. Yeah, I just wanted to say goodnight and that I really appreciate your support, and I hope you continue following along as we continue to feed more people and to make magic happen. See you guys on the other side.